Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of the Backspace key not working on Windows 11. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you're experiencing this problem, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. First, try restarting your system. To do this, click on the Start button, then click on the power icon and select Restart. After your system reboots, check to see if the Backspace key is functioning properly. If the problem persists, the next step is to disable sticky keys. To do this, open the Settings app, then click on Accessibility, scroll down and select the keyboard option. From here, turn off sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Sometimes, having these features enabled can cause issues with the Backspace key. If you're still encountering the issue, it might be due to corrupted files on your system. To fix this, you can run an SFC scan. Here's how. In the search bar, type CMD and open it as an administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type the following command, SFC Scanner, and press enter. Wait for the scan to complete. After the scan is done, close the command prompt. Now, try updating your keyboard driver. To do this, right-click on the Start button, open Device Manager, and expand the keyboard's category. Right-click on your keyboard driver, select Update Driver, and then choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish. If none of these methods work, it could be a sign of physical damage to your keyboard. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.